Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yakina's Kitchen. And today in this video I'm going to make roasted rice balls, and it is actually very easy. To make this, first we have to start with by adding a rice in a dry pan. Just we have to roast it. I already washed my rice and then I'm adding it after draining the water. We need to roast it until we get golden brown color. We need to stir it very well, otherwise it will get burnt. So we need to give a mix every once. It is really very easy and healthy to make the snacks, and we can complete it very short time. It just obviously it took around 30 minutes or something. Kids will love it for sure because it's a sweet kind of snacks and very safe for kids because it doesn't contain oil or any unhealthy items. That's why it is really a healthy snacks, and we can give it as a snacks. Also we can serve it as a breakfast. And now it is almost a brown color, so I'm just going to cool it and then I'm going to grind it. It's already cool, so I'm going to grind it now. It is not compulsory to grind it as a fine powder. It is okay if it is in the rava consistency also, so it doesn't matter even if it is on fine powder. Now I'm adding jaggery. The jaggery quantity depends on how much sweet you need. I'm just adding the lemon size jaggery, and first I'm going to start with 1 cup of water just to melt the jaggery, but I will include it for the rice count. For the 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add 3 cups, not at one time. I'm just going to add gradually. So first 1 cup added now. I'm just going to dissolve the jaggery. If we dissolve, so that it will blend with rice flour. So I'm not going to add the whole powder. I'm just going to add slowly into that water so that we can avoid the lumps. Also it will get mixed with all the flour. We need to add gradually and give a mix all the time, otherwise it will become lump and it won't cook in the middle. So we have to give a mix and then we have to start adding the water slowly. If you are taking different rice, and the water quantity depends on that particular rice. We need to stir. If needed, you can add extra water as well. It depends on the consistency. It has to cook very well. It should not be crunchy. It should be very soft. Once you touch, you will feel that. You have to cook until it becomes very soft. Once it is very soft, you are going to make a ball. So since it is grinded, the rice will cook so quickly, so it has to become very soft. It oddly took around 10 to 15 minutes to cook. I think less than that also. It depends on the rice quantity, how much you put. So you have to make it as a ball once it is hot, not too much. It has to be a bearable temperature is fine. Before getting cool, we need to make it as a ball. It has to be in the warm, then only we can make it as a ball, otherwise it will start breaking. If you want to serve as it is, you can serve, but making as a ball will give an exciting look for the kids, so they will enjoy it in a different sizes and different shapes. If you want, you can make it. And for serving purpose, we need to coat it with desiccated coconut. So I have taken 1 plate of desiccated or grated coconut, and I'm just rolling on it. If you want to stuff inside, you can stuff coconut inside just by pressing and making as a ball again, but I'm not going to do it like that. I'm just going to roll it on the top. But some kids may don't like to eat with the coconut, so if you don't want to coat it with the coconut, you can just make it as a ball and serve as it is. And it is really yummy with coconut and without coconut also. Since it has a jaggery in it, it will give you a really good taste. It is not going to be too much sweet like adding a sugar. It's just jaggery is always mild and it is really good to have it like this. Try to make a ball as soon as you can. Once it becomes cool, you can't make a ball, it will start breaking. You can't hold it like a ball so tightly. So better to make it so quickly. Also, try to serve warm. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all like it. Our roasted rice ball is ready to serve, and don't forget to try it at your home, and please try it and then don't forget to comment about it, how it comes and how it tastes. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.